Sum of areas of two squares is given and difference of their perimeter is 24 meters. We have to find the sides of the squares. As the relation between the sides is not given, we will consider the perimeters. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So let us take the side of the smaller square as x meters. Its perimeter will then be 4x. This means the perimeter of larger square will be 24 plus 4x. Therefore, its side will be 24 plus 4x upon 4. Taking 4 common from the numerator and simplifying, it is equal to 6 plus x. Area of square is side square. According to question, sum of the two areas is 468. Therefore, x square plus 6 plus x whole square is equal to 468. We will solve this part by using identity a plus b whole square. X square plus 36 plus x square plus 12x is equal to 468. Or 2x square plus 12x plus 36 minus 468 is equal to 0. Or 2x square plus 12x minus 432 equal to 0. We can further simplify this equation because each term is divisible by 2. So dividing throughout by 2, we get x square plus 6x minus 216 equal to 0. Here a plus b is 6 and a into b is minus 216. Negative product means we have to subtract the two numbers. So 18 and 12 are the numbers whose difference will be 6. Therefore, x square plus 18x minus 12x minus 216 is equal to 0. Or x into x plus 18 minus 12 into x plus 18 is equal to 0. This implies x plus 18 into x minus 12 equal to 0. This means x is equal to minus 18 or x equal to 12. Lengths cannot be negative, so we will reject x equal to minus 18. Therefore, the side of the smaller square is 12 meters. And the side of the bigger square is 12 plus 6, that is 18 meters. Hope this answer is clear to all of you. If you have any doubts, you can always ask me in the comment box and I will try to answer as soon as possible. If you want to check out other videos on this topic, you may click on this link and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. That's all for today. Take care and goodbye.